Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel, Carolina's Creations and Made. Please subscribe and click the bell button down below so you don't miss any of my videos. And today I have part 2 of my Super Mega Tuesday morning haul. I already shared with you part 1 where I shared Maggie Holmes, Great Paper, American Craft, and other papers. And today I have tons of weird memory keepers and Bo Bunny dies, stamps, and embellishments, so you don't want to miss this. And we're going to start with weird memory keepers. I found this garland punch, and this is awesome because you can make your own garlands using circles like you see here. And as you see on the back, this is the shape it cuts, so you can link your circles together to make a garland. And it's only $4.99 out of $19.99. Awesome! I also found this punch, and this one is kind of like a lantern, like Chinese lanterns, but I bought it because I plan to use it as favor boxes. So this is the shape that it cuts. You can make your little lanterns, or you can use them for favor boxes. And it was only $4.99 out of $19.99. Super awesome! I also found this confetti punch. This is also Weird Memory Keepers, and it was $9.99 out of $19.99. So awesome! I also found this punch board from Weird Memory Keepers. It's the 123 punch board, and this is awesome. You can use it for envelopes, balls, boxes, and I already have one of this, but it's gray and I didn't like the color. So the price of this one is awesome, so I bought another one. This one is $16.99 out of $34.99, and you can make again envelopes, balls, and boxes. I hit the Weird Memory Keepers jackpot this time. I also found this envelope punch board, and this one was the first design. I also have this one, but it's gray. I don't like it, and I found this one so inexpensive, $9.99 out of $24.99. So of course I got it. And I found also this punch from Weird Memory Keepers. This is a notch punch, so you can use it to make notches on your envelopes, and it was only $7.99 out of $14.99. And this is great. You can use it for boxes and bags also. I found these little pouches. These are actually photo sleeves, again from Weird Memory Keepers, and they're $1.99 out of $4.99. They come 20 in a pack, and you can make shakers with this too, so I love them. And I found this super stinking adorable mini alphabet punch board, and it was only $11.99 out of $24.99. I already have the big one, but I was so happy to find the smaller one. You can make banners, you can make embellishments, you can make little balls with this, a lot of different things, and I'm going to have video tutorials to show you how to use your different Weird Memory Keepers tools. I also found this planner punch board, and this one is Weird Memory Keepers. It's $11.99 out of $24.99. It comes with the circle punches, and you have to buy the other designs. I have this, so I'm going to give this away soon. And I also found this Richard Garay die. This is a steel rule die, silver and gold, and it's called Flower Fold. I love the design. It's really nice, and it was $9.99 out of $39.99, so I had to get it. And I also found a die from Spellbinders, this little cute deer here, and you can make a wreath, and it also has this frame there and a banner. It was only $3.99 out of $9.99, so I was super happy. I love this die, so cute. And I also found this die from Die Sire. This is called Cogs Emotion, and I love it. This is actually for mixed media, so it cuts thick material. I love gear dies, and this one was only $4.99 out of $21.95. Oh, surprise! And you can see there on the dies how deep they can cut. So this is awesome. I was so happy with this find. And I also found this super stinking adorable Bo Bunny dies, and this one is so cute. It has actually popsicles, ice cream, watermelon, clouds, a basket, ants, and a little bottle. So you can see here on the back the designs, and I'm planning to use the ants for my Halloween projects. And they were only $5.99 out of $14.99. And this one has a leafy frame, and it also says Happily Ever After, Mr. and Mrs., and it has some flowers, and I'm going to show you on the back how the designs look. So you can see there, and you can see the flowers is super stinking adorable, and the price was awesome. I also found this great frames. I love frames, and this ones can be used to make shakers too, and it was only $5.99 out of $14.99. And you can see on the back how they look. These are great finds. I was so lucky. I also found these pop-ups, Lollipop. These are Disney Junior. They were $2.99 out of $4.99, and I'm planning to use them for my Happy Mail. I get them because they're so stinking adorable. Minnie and Mickey. And I found several embellishments and stamps, and here I have an embellishment from Studio Calico, and these ones are metal tabs. They have the initials of the week, and it was only $1.49 out of $3.99, and it was also on clearance for 20% off. I plan to use this for my planners. And I also found this super stinking adorable ephemera pack from My Mind's Eye. It's called My Story, and it was only $1.49 out of $4.99. I love the different designs that it comes with. I love this little jar over here, and all the designs are so stinking adorable. I had a couple already, but when I find them, I pick them up because they're so stinking cute. And the price is amazing. So I love this one. And I also found this one. This one is from American Craft, and it's also an ephemera pack. It's $1.99 out of $3.99, and it comes with this different designs, flowers, frames. It's so stinking adorable. So of course I had to pick it up, and I found this one also. This is from Pink Paisley, and it's called Sweet Freedom. It has 40 pieces, and this one is 4th of July themed, but I am actually going to use some of it for my fall decorations. You can see here on the back it has some elements that can be used for fall too, so I love it. $1.49 out of $3.99. I also found this Vicky button magnet bookmarks, and they were $1.99 out of $4.99. I love the designs. I make my own, and I'm going to link at the top of the video and on the description below to a tutorial on how to make it. I also found these Bo Bunny chipboard stickers, and I like them. They're super adorable. I love it that it's also like fall design, and it was only $1.99 out of $4.99. I had to get it. And I also found this chipboard stickers. These are frames from Heidi Swapp. They were only $1.49 out of $3.99, and I plan to make shakers with them. And you can see here on the back the designs. They're super cute. And I also found these Buffy stickers remarks from American Crafts. 99 cents out of $2.99, so it was awesome. It comes with 71 in the pack, and I love them. I also found enamel shapes. These ones are from Eco Park, and I have some of the collection, so I was so happy to find this. $1.49 out of $4.99. I also found Tim Holtz alphabet stickers, and I love these ones. They're gold foiled on a white background. This one is $1.99 out of $4.99, and I also found a silver and black that is 99 cents out of $2.99, and I also found a gold and black 99 cents out of $2.99. I also found this chipboard stickers from Me and My Big Ideas. It was $1.49 out of $4.99. I love the gold foil one, and I also found the blue one, and the blue one is actually glitter, so I love them. I had to get them. $1.49 out of $4.99. And I found tons of washi. I found one from Heidi Swapp, another one from American Craft that is called Be Happy, and another one that is called Make It Happen. They were all $2.99 out of $7.99. I love the colors. I also found this mink stickers, and you can actually use them with your foiling machine. They are from Heidi Swapp, and they were $1.49 out of $2.99, and on top of that they had a 20% discount because they were on clearance, so you can use them with your mink or your foiling machine. I also found this epoxy stickers, pebbles, and I love them. It was only 99 cents out of $2.99, so I had to get them. And I found these alphabet stickers. These ones are from Me and My Big Ideas. Only $5.99 out of $19.95, and it comes with tons of stickers, so I love them for planners and for embellishments and other projects. I also found these ones, and these ones are gold foiling and other colors, again from Me and My Big Ideas, and I love them. I love the designs. I love the gold foiling on them. And I also love the colors on these ones. They're so cute. $1.99 out of $5, and I found this metallic luster. Oh my god, from Deco Art, and I love this. It's awesome to color metal and also plastic or resin. $1.99 out of $7, so I got like 3 of them. I found this ruffle elastic. It was 99 cents out of 2.29, so I had to get it. It's so cute. And it was also 20% off. And I found this Tim Holtz Ideology assortment, and this one is Halloween themed, so it has owls and spiders, and it was only $2.79 out of $5.99. I also found this cute metal case, and they were $2.99 out of $7.99. They have little gems on them. Super cute. These are going to be great for mini albums and planners. And I also found these iron-on patches. They were 20% off on clearance. The price was $1.99 out of $5.99, but it had a 20% off, so it was less than $1.99. And I love the designs. So cute. They're going to be great for my planners. I also found these sticky foam dots. These are from American Crafts, and they're $1.99 out of $3.99. They come tons in a pack, and they're awesome. I already used them before and I love them. And I found this ribbon here. It's so adorable, gold and gray. I love the design. And this one is a 3-yard one, and it's 99 cents out of $3.99, so I had to get it. I found several embossing folders from Echo Park, and they are $1.99 out of $6.99. I love the designs, and the price was great also. So again, it was $1.99 out of $6.99. And this one here I love. This one you can use on princess and unicorn themed projects, so I really like them. And I also found these little containers here. These are glitter containers. They're from Recollections. They're $2.99 out of $9.99, and I love the chunky glitter, so I always get them when I see them. And I also found this stamp set from Stampendos. It's the shoe stamp set, only $3.99 out of $6.99. And I found these tags from Vicky Button, and these are $1.49 out of $2.99, and I love that it has several of them, so you can use them for your embellishment and projects. I also found this here from My Mind's Eye. It was $1.99 out of $9.99, and I love all the prints it comes with, so I had to get it. I know summer is gone, but I had to get it. And I also found this Vibe Studio alphabet stickers. They're awesome. They come so many in a pack, and they're $1.49 out of $4.99, so that's awesome. I also found these glue sticks. They're $4.99 out of $12.99. They come 24 in a pack. They're high temp. I always get them when I find them over there. And then I found some fabric that I plan to use to back my traveler's notebooks. I love the print, and they were only $1.49 out of $4.99. And I found this super adorable scissors, pineapple and pink, so super adorable. Of course, I had to get them. $3.99 out of $8. And I also found the super adorable mini umbrellas, and they were $1.49 out of $3.99, so I had to get them. So cute. And I found this Recollection embellishments, and this come with flower resin pieces and some gems. They're really cute, 99 cents out of $4.99, so I had to get them too. And oh my god, look at this super stinking cute erasers. $1.99 out of $4.99, and these are from American Crafts. I had to get them too. And I got this My Mind's Eye gold foil envelope liners, and they come 20 in the pack. I actually die cut pieces with them, and they were $1.49 out of $4.99. I also found this K & Company acetate frames, 99 cents out of $5.99, and I love that I can use them to make shakers, and they come with different designs, so I had to get this one too. I found this adorable treat bags from Doodlebug Designs, and they were $1.99 out of $3.99, so super stinking adorable. I also found this rose gold planner clips from American Crafts, and they were $1.99 out of $5.99, and I love the different designs, so I got them, and I wish they wouldn't have more. I got also this Love Plus Lemon stickers, and these ones are gold foil, silver, and gold, $1.49 out of $6.99, and they come tons in the little pack, so I love them. And I found several different stamp sets. I found this stamp here. It's called Doodle Drops, and it has different little designs in here. I love the hearts. I love that it has drops, bubbles that you can use for mermaid projects and different things. So I really liked it. It was only $2.99 out of $9.95. And I got this Ventology stamp set. It was $2.99 out of $9.99. And I love the peacock and the different designs. You can use this with Maggie Holmes collection. They will go great. I also found this pink paisley design. It was $1.99 out of $5.99. This is an older stamp set, but I love it. It has different symbols, and I had one. I just don't know where I put it. So I had to get another one. And I found this graphic 45 clean stamps, and they're awesome. This one's are Vintage Hollywood. They're $4.99 out of $11, so that was great. I also found this Bob Bunny Falling Leaves stamp set, and this is perfect for fall, $2.99 out of $5.99. And I found this Dina Walkley clear stamps. I love the fashion design vibe of this stamp set, and it was only $3.99 out of $9.99. Then I found this artsy stamp set, and I love it, boho style. It comes with several designs, and it's also a stencil. And you can see over here at the top all the designs it comes with. I love it, and it was only $2.99 out of $9.99. So this was a great find. And lastly, I found this set of stencils from Americana, and this was our sticky stencils, and they're Halloween themed. So I'm going to use them to make my Halloween designs for this year. $1.99 out of $4.40. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you like my haul. I'm sorry it was a little long, but I had so much to show you. And I wanted to remind you, if you want to participate in my giveaway, you have until November 1st. I had to extend the date because I got several requests, so you still have plenty of time to participate. Watch the video I'm going to link on the description below so you know how to participate. And welcome to all my new subscribers, and thank you so much to all my existing subscribers for your love and support. If you're not a subscriber and you like my video, please subscribe and click the bell button so you don't miss any of my videos. Love you guys, and I hope to see you back here soon for another video. Bye bye. Mwah.